Okay, we're gonna test the streak on a red piece of rock, right? A little river rock, red river rock. And hang on, let me see if I can hold that still. Son of a Gunsky here. Okay, oh boy, there it is. It's got a gold streak. It's not red at all, it's gold. Because it's actually AuPt, half gold and half platinum, or in this case, it's probably a little more gold than platinum, and for some reason it turns red. I thought it was a new metal at first, but I know for sure there aren't any spaces in the periodic table for new red metal, so it had to be something we already know about. And it is. It's AuPt, gold platinum alloy. The specific gravity is 20. It has a gold streak. And it is the same. Let me see if I can find. Okay, here we go again. We've got a few other rocks. These are bits and pieces of granite. And granite is, in fact, not quartz and feldspar at all. It is mostly AuPt. And it's the mountains I live in, the Sierra Estrella here in central Arizona, are 100% this stuff. That's what this stuff is. It came out of the side of a mountain. I pulled it out of the mountain itself. And it's not secondary mineralization. It is primary mineralization. And the whole mountain range is made out of this stuff. All of it, top to bottom. I have no idea why nobody noticed this before. I have no idea. I am not responsible for other people's behavior. I know what I have to look at to figure things out. And I started doing random samples all around the area I live in, the Phoenix area. And I pulled it out of metamorphic granite. I pulled them out of the Gila River, and some tertiary volcanic mountains in North Phoenix. It's all the same. Tertiary volcanics are basalt, and basalt is 100% AuPt. It is not anything to do with quartz or feldspar or any of that other stuff. It is melted AuPt. This is AuPt that hardened under the ground and then got pushed up in mountains, and so it's stretched. It's metamorphic granite, but there's no quartz in it. There's no feldspar in it. There's no black amphiboles. There's none of that stuff, man. The closer you get, the closer you get, the closer you get, the more you see that it's little bits and pieces of crystal, of And those are not separate crystals. They're not separate at all. It's one crystal, one single crystal. That's, whoop, 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 back out here. That's what we got here. That's what this is. And if you look, it's the same shape as every mountain you've ever seen in one way or another, right? One of these angles is the same as every mountain you've ever seen because they're all made out of AuPt. It has a melting point of 1768 degrees Celsius. It is solid metal. You can see that. Look at the reflection on that there. It is solid metal. The white stuff's not quartz. It's platinum. It's platinum. And platinum melts at such a high temperature, people don't know it. And because it's joined together, the gold and platinum are in a different group from each other. So they don't join with metallic bonds. They join with covalent bonds. So, you look at this, you go, it looks like metal, but it doesn't pass electricity because the electrons are all tied up in covalent bonds. And unless you know enough chemistry, see, I didn't find this stuff by luck. I predicted it from my research. It's everywhere. It is gold platinum alloy, and it can be as hard as 9.5 on the Mohs scale of hardness. It can be as soft as 24 karat gold. This red stuff here, that's what that is. That's mostly gold. And I can take a pen or something like that and make a little impression in it very easily. I don't actually happen to have a pen handy, but if I did, I could. Here, maybe I've got something. Hang on, we'll try. No, I'm going to stab myself in the leg with that damn screwdriver now. Let's see. And it does. It dents it a little bit. Not much, but a little. It's harder than 24 karat gold because it's alloyed with platinum. But it mixes in a solid solution series like plagioclase feldspar or something, right? And so the gold and platinum can vary. And that's why it looks different in different places. The white stuff here, when you get my camera on here, it actually has a very definite golden color to it. And the black stuff and the red stuff are all AuPt, all of it. And this is a single crystal. And that mixture varies across the crystal depending on the mix as it cooled, right? This is granite, so it cooled underground. It cooled more slowly than say, the basalt, which was extruded from the ground and cooled quickly. So that's why it looks like it does. But this stuff here, it's not quartz. There's no quartz in there. No quartz. No feldspar. It is solid metal. Platinum is a white metal, and guess what? That's what you're looking at. It's really white, man. Who knew, huh? Who knew?